Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has welcomed the $10 million Harbor City shopping mall now under construction by private Chinese investors living in Jamaica. So as usual, I have some questions, especially for the people them in the comment section for this. How is it that you are upset at Chinese people who reinvest back into Jamaica? I thought you were more upset when Chinese people made their money and then just took it back to China. Make it make sense for me. Now, I would understand if they were trying to buy out a beach or a river to build a hotel or something. When they're taking over like a natural resource in Jamaica. Cool. Defend that. Fight it with all your might. That make a lot of sense, and I agree with that. Jamaica should protect their natural resources. But this is a shopping mall on the waterfront, right? Debatable if that's a natural resource or not. But in a time where Jamaica is high on crime, high in corruption, and doesn't give you the best ROI because they could have taken their money and go invest it in other places, they chose to reinvest back into Jamaica, and y'all are pressed? Really? And what's funny is the people who are so upset will never reinvest back into Jamaica, but yet they would criticize people for reinvesting in Jamaica. Why? Not so bad. Seriously. But Kirk, the Chinese people them a buy out Jamaica and them a take over. You mean they're creating economic growth by injecting capital in the much needed Jamaican economy while developing infrastructure and creating job opportunities? Yes, they are. If the people who are so patriotic think that the Chinese are buying out everything, why don't you beat them to the punch and buy out what you can? Just a thought. Because if you buy it, the Chinese can't get it unless they buy it from you. So then you would have to be willing to sell in order for the Chinese to get their hands on it. So why you don't just beat them to the punch? Just a thought. Yes, jump in the comment section now and make bugger excuse why you can't do it. I'll see you there. Peace. Like, comment, share, subscribe.